Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add more videos to your course on YouTube. So if you have created a course on YouTube, you want to go ahead and click on content, then click on courses, and then you'll be able to see your courses. And as you can see, these courses here, I have 5 videos. I'm going to take one of them and add more videos to it. So let's say I want to take this ChatGPT course right here. I just hover over the course, then click the pencil icon, which is the details, and it's going to open up the course. From here, you want to go on to videos, and now you can go ahead and add more videos to the course. If you look to the upper right hand side, you'll have the add videos button here. So simply click on the drop down and you will have the option to upload new video. So if you want to upload a new video to the channel and also directly into the course, you can do that, or you can choose from existing video. Let's go ahead and choose the option to choose from existing video and go ahead and just search for a video. So I'm going to simply type in chat GPT, as this is what it's about, and just scroll down and find more videos. So I'm going to click on a few more videos, let's say like that, and then click on done, and those videos will be added to the course. And as you can see, I scroll down, I have more videos added there. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and add more videos to a course on your YouTube studio. Very easy and very simple.